What's going on, guys? So today we are doing a repair video for a computer because this was a really big issue that I had with my extra computer that I have over there for like testing and stuff. It wouldn't, when I built it, it wouldn't boot in. It was just staying at the Windows HP screen. So yeah. Hope you guys liked this video. Turns out it was the RAM. So yeah. Subscribe, like, and see ya. What you're going to want to do is make sure, so you're going to want to take the graphics card and you're going to want to take it out, put it back in, unplug and replug in the hard drive, and reseat the RAM. That fixed it for me. If that doesn't work, then go to hp.com or .net.org. I'll put the link down in the description, and yeah, just go there and do the virtual assistant thingy. It's not actually a real person, so you don't have to chat with a real person, but yeah, that's what fixed it for me. Let me know down in the comments if it fixed it for you.